Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your teacher Jen. So for today's video, we will talk about the career progression overview from the Department of Education. So actually, this is a memorandum from the Department of Education's released last July 19, 2022 from DepEd Memorandum 59 series of 2022, which state about the establishing of the expanded career progression system for the public school teachers signed by the former Deputy Secretary Sara C. Duterte. And the IRR, or the implementing rules and regulations of this expanded career progression system, was signed, okay, by the current Deputy Secretary Sani Angara. So effective. This is very effective na as of the signing because it has already an IRR. In the section 1 of the memorandum, it says that the expanded career progression system for public school teachers is used, or it aims to promote the professional development and the career advancement among the public school teachers. Just like what Mr. Angara said na walang mag-retire na teacher 1 kasi nga meron ng ganitong career progression na sinasabi or nilalagay dito sa ating DepEd order na ang teacher dito sa public school with this system, especially elementary and secondary levels, syempre included na rin ang senior high school, ay i-complement yung kanilang mga naging pagtahak ng kanilang karera dito sa pagtuturo, no, as public school teachers. And ito naman po yung dalawang career line na pwedeng pagpilian po ng ating mga teachers. So, sa section 2, nakapaloob po dyan yung classroom teaching career line. So, the classes here of teaching career line is as follows. So, yung classroom teaching, sila ay Master Teacher 1, Teacher 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, yung kanilang position na ito shall require the attainment of the minimum qualification prescribed for the position as defined by the Civil Service Commission and meeting the teacher's proficiency level equivalent to career stage 3 or the highly proficient of the PPST for teachers. Pero kung kanilang namang piniling path or career line is the school administration, the classes in the school administration career shall be as follows: Principal 1, Principal 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the advancement naman, pag-advance naman nila sa Principal 1, ay syempre ma-attain din nila yung minimum qualification prescribed din ng CSC. So, ganun po, no? So, parang ito yung demonstration, okay, picture of the career path. Okay, sa career line. Kung ikaw ngayon ay teacher 1, so angat ka sa teacher 2, teacher 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nasa teacher 7 ka na, ikaw ay teacher 7 na, ang next in line mo ay master teacher 1. So, kapag nasa master teacher 1 ka na, it's up for you to decide, okay? Kung ikaw po ba ay magko-continue sa iyong classroom teaching career line, which are master teacher 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pero kung ikaw naman, gusto mong tahaking path ay yung school administration career, so pwede ka mag-apply ng school principal 1, 2, 3 hanggang 4. Ayan po yan, no? So, ito yung mga equivalent positions niya. So, kung ikaw yung master teacher 2, ang equivalent position mo is school principal. Again, position lang po ito. Siyempre, ang task, hindi. School principal pa rin po kasi ang school head ang equivalent niya, no? Parang school head, siya yung namumuno talaga ng school. Wherein, si Master Teacher 2 still part of the teaching staff. So, meron tayo diyang, kung ikaw ay nasa teacher ano ka na, no, 4 and 5. So, nasa salary grade 14 and 15 na. So, kung titingnan natin, itong teacher 4, 5, 6, 7 ay just bridging the gap of master teacher 3 to 2, teacher 3 to 1. Kasi 'di ba si teacher 3 nasa salary grade 14, 13, si master teacher 4 na ay 14, si teacher 5, 15, teacher 6, 17, and teacher 7, teacher, sorry, teacher 4, 14, 5, 15, 6, 16, 7 is 17. So, pagtapos si master teacher ko na nasa 18 na siya salary grade niya. Career choice, and ito si teacher 1 to teacher 7 shall form a base of career system based on their performance. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng career progression na ito, no, ay career performance based. Okay, so kapag na-achieve natin yung proficiency level, yun nga sa sinasabi ng nasa PPST at saka ng CSC, ma-achieve natin yun, no, yung career progression na sinasabi natin based on performance. So, sino ba yung mga qualified dito? So, syempre, lahat ng teaching position. Kailan? Pwede tayong mag-apply anytime na alam natin qualified na tayo. Makikita natin may mga papel tayo. So, yun yung sinasabi talaga na papel ang labanan. So, dapat performing in accordance din sa PPST natin, yung sa RPMS natin. Kaya magbabasa po talaga tayo kung ano yung mga nandun sa mga objectives na yon para nami-meet talaga natin. Kasi kung hindi rin naman in line doon yung ating mga ginagawa or sinasalihan and na-attenan ng mga training and workshop, ay medyo mababang puntos din yung ating makukuha, no? So, lahat ng teacher po ay qualified to apply, di ba, sa career path na ito. Kasi, yun nga yung ini-aim ng ating government ngayon. So, paano yung magiging selection nito? Siyempre, andyan yung ating education, which has 10% of it. Siyempre, nandyan din yung ating NIAP accredited training. So, yun din, no? Dapat na DepEd training po yung ating tinitake. More on dapat DepEd para makakuha tayo ng 10 points. Experience natin, within a month or year of experience, di ba? Na dapat nga po ay teaching experience, syempre. Performance, syempre yung points natin ito sa IPCRF natin. Pero nyo, 30% po siya. Medyo mataas po, no? Kaya, yun, dapat inline talaga lahat sa ating IPCRF. COI or class observable indicators, no? Yung assess natin dito, yung ating classroom observation. 25 points po siya. Ang taas. And the non-classroom observable indicators measured naman to through our portfolio. Yan yung portfolio natin din na-assess. Medyo mataas din, no? 15 points. So, ayun po, magiging basis natin ito. In short, hinihingi sa ating mga guro yung ating mga kanya-kanyang performance. Dapat ito lahat talaga, paulit-ulit natin sasabihin na naka-align sa RPMS. Yung kasi ang career progression po, no? Ang career progression po ng mga teacher ay sa pamamagitan po ng reclassification. Yun. Kung masipag talaga yung mga teacher, 'di ba? Para talagang nagagawa natin ito, syempre sa mga bata, magiging productive yung chance natin at magiging mataas yung chance natin maabot ng mabilis itong career progression na ito. So, kung may tanong lang po kayo, asa lang po kayo dito sa aking channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye-bye.